Hi guys, it's Malo here and I'm back for another Bakugan unboxing video. So yeah, let's get right to it. Whoa. Just get good enough. This small package first. I wonder what it is. Oh, alright. Firstly we have a gate card, which is Kai Flying Gate, and on the picture I think it's Alto. Yep. So 200 for Ventus, 10 for Darkus, 130 for Hayas, 110 for Terra, 160 for Aquas, and 80 for Pyrus. Yep. And now is the Bakugan. Alright. It's a Maintenance Search Bakugan, and I think I know what it is. This one should be a Razenoid, I guess. Yes, it is. Wow, just look at this. It's like brand new, I think. Yeah, looks so cool. The mouth open, and then the hands. Well, I didn't expect to be this loose. Alright, what else? Two little pieces on the wings. Yep. And the leg. Okay, none of the part is die cast, so it'd be a big disappointment, but so far looks so good. Yeah, and you can see the G power can change, and wow, surprisingly low. Alright, the highest, which is 680, the lowest is 380, so yeah, not that good, but hey, it's still really cool Bakugan here. Yeah. Alright, going to the next package we have here. Let's see what's in there. Alright, there's another background. It's a Pyrus one. Let's see what it is. Oh wow, look at this. Okay, this is a oh wow. It's a translucent Pyrus Alto Brontes. But just look at this. The arms are a bit loose, but yeah, the condition is still pretty good, and its G power is 650. Yeah, like there's none of this non-scratchy, and yeah, it looks so good. Let's follow them up. Oh, why is it so hard? There you go. And yeah, in both form, we got like this little thingy on the side, kind of on the way of rolling. But yeah, we can do like side spin roll. That's cool. And then unclosing Razenoid. I think that it's yep, the arms and the legs. Pretty difficult. Alright, just chucked it. Yep, and then the arm, the wings, and then wings. Yep, there we go. So there you go. We have translucent Pyrus Alto Brontes and Darkus Razenoid. Okay, Hope you guys liked my video. See ya.